Thank you for choosing Stanley Community College. In this video, we will be assisting you in completing the North Carolina Residency Determination Service online questionnaire. North Carolina Residency Determination Service, or RDS, is used to qualify North Carolina residents for in-state tuition at all North Carolina colleges and universities, as well as meet eligibility requirements for North Carolina state grants and scholarships. Here's a few tips that will help you when completing the questionnaire. RDS uses the same username and password as CFNC. If you have not created a CFNC account, you can create a RDS account at ncresidency.org. If you are under the age of 24 or do not support yourself financially, you will be asked to also supply your parents' information. Be sure to have handy your Social Security number, any immigration information if applicable, tax documents if filed in North Carolina, vehicle registration information, driver's license, voter registration, any information regarding social service benefits, and military information if applicable. Don't guess at the answers. If you guessed, you will be considered an out-of-state student for tuition purposes. Remember to check your email after completing RDS for any follow-up questions regarding your residency. You may need to upload additional documentation after you submit your residency questionnaire. Let's get started. Begin by selecting Complete Residency Determination. Select Create Account if you do not have a CFNC username and password. You will need to provide consent and authorization for RDS to go out and check your personal information against agencies such as the DMV and NCDOR. Begin by entering your demographic information. When you enter your email, it does a check to see if you have a CFNC account associated with that email. The NC student number may be left blank if you do not remember it. The Social Security number is required. If you do not have a Social Security number, please select the box indicating so. Next, we will create our username and password. Remember this information because you will be required to re-enter it shortly. Now, log in using the username and password you just created. Follow the instructions given and only move forward. You will need to provide consent and authorization. Pop-up windows will show you the information that is already entered and will require you to confirm it. You can also receive text alerts about your determined residency. Remember to complete the questionnaire with your real information. If you claim no on the first question, your residency determination will be out of state for tuition purposes. Be sure to read through each of the housing scenarios to see if you fall into one of those situations. Again, once you confirm, you cannot make changes. The next section is about military involvement. Next, RDS will be asking questions to determine your financial reliance on your parents or legal guardians. Depending on your age, you may be considered non-dependent upon your parents or legal guardians as well. For in-state tuition consideration, you must have lived in North Carolina for at least 365 days. North Carolina tax information is also used as evidence in determining your residency for tuition purposes. Owning a vehicle or registering that vehicle in North Carolina shows an intent to remain in North Carolina, as opposed to leaving your vehicle registered in the previous state you were residing. Once you have answered enough questions to make a residency decision, you will be presented with your initial residency determination. Make note of the Residency Certification Number, or RCN, in the top portion of the screen. This number will need to be used on college documentation such as scholarship applications and our CFNC application. RDS will continue to verify your North Carolina residency using the information you provided in this questionnaire. So please monitor the email you provided when creating your account. Any important changes or additional required documentation may be communicated to you through email as well. Again, be sure to save or make note of your RCN. As always, don't forget to log out of your session if you're using a public computer. Thank you, and please let us know if you have any questions or need any assistance completing your residency determination. You can reach out to one of our staff members at 704-991-0123. Thank you for choosing Stanley Community College.